Hi, Crystal Rains. This is Crystal Rains. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and hit a thumbs up. Share this video, please. Okay, we're going to be matching the pictures up with the letters C, A, and B. First, C. Can you see C? Here C is. I see it. C is a picture of a chicken. My chicken. Beep! There was a beep. Oh yeah, when it's done, it will beep. Next is letter A. Can you see A? Here's A. My sister's picture of her friend A. Beep. A, and then B. Can you see B? Here B is. It's my sister's friend. I'm looking at the flowers or touching them. Beep, 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 beep. Thanks for watching. Bye.